In this video, we're going to take a minute just to introduce the idea of factorial notation, which might be new to a lot of you. Just to let you know, this is not in the workbook, okay? This is just a blank sheet of paper that I'm looking at. So you can take out a blank sheet of paper or maybe just listen if you want to. And what we're going to talk about is what this notation means, n with an exclamation point after it. Okay, you might look at that and think that means get excited about n because you've got n with an exclamation point after it. But that's not what it means. You feel free to get excited about n if you want to, but that notation actually means something different. Okay, and we're going to write down what that means below here. Okay, n factorial, and that's the way that we would read this in words. N factorial. It's a way of representing a product of a list of numbers. In particular, n factorial means we're going to start with 1, and we're just going to keep multiplying whole numbers by each other all the way up until we reach the number n. Okay, so n factorial is just a way of representing this product of n numbers. Okay, let's do just a couple of examples. So what would 3 factorial mean, for example? Okay, well, that just means we're going to start with the number 1, and we're going to multiply until we get to 3. So we would get 1 times 2 times 3, which is 6. Okay, so 3 factorial is equal to 6. Similarly, 4 factorial, same idea. Okay, we're going to start at 1, but this time we're not going to stop until we get to 4. So we would get 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 is 24. And you get the idea here. 5 factorial, same thing. We just go up until we hit 5. That turns out to be 120. Okay, and the reason why we introduce this notation is that factorials tend to come up a lot in both math